Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Files. Following that, you need to get this free app by Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select Continue, tap on Allow, and click on this switcher next to allow access to manage all files. Then select Clean at the bottom left corner. Lastly, select Clean under Junk Files and tap on Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!